Hello students, welcome to Sri classes. We'll continue solving R.D. Sharma numericals. Example 13. Prove that 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta the whole square equals 2 times 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. Here this is definitely, as there are three terms. You have studied identity in 9th standard, a plus b plus c the whole square. That identity we use it. First I'll write identity and then take the LHS. Identity used is a plus b plus c the whole square equals a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. This is the identity used. So LHS 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta the whole square equals, this is the LHS, and for it is equals first term the whole square, 1 square is 1, plus second term the whole square minus sin theta the whole square is plus sin square theta plus cos square theta. Next is plus 2 times first term into second term, but second term is minus here, therefore minus 2 times 1 into sin theta. Next again minus, it will be 2 times sin theta into cos theta minus 2 times. See, this is, even if I put plus here, sin theta is minus here, therefore that I am taking here itself. So 2 times sin theta into cos theta plus 2 times cos theta into 1 is 2 cos theta. Okay, so this equals sin square plus cos square is 1, so 1 plus 1 2 minus 2 sin theta, okay, minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 2 cos theta. Here 2 is a common, 1 minus sin theta. Here in these two terms minus 2 cos theta, and therefore here I can consider sin theta plus sin theta, 2 cos theta is taken as this thing. So 1, I think I hope you understand like this. See, I am taking 2 cos theta, so here it is 1 minus sin theta, and therefore I will directly write 1 minus sin theta. That means first I have taken this term and then this term. So when I take common 2 cos theta, it is 1 here and minus, so for the which I should have plus here. If it is confusing for you, I will once again do this. 2 minus 2 sin theta plus 2 cos theta minus 2 sin theta into cos theta. Rearrange the terms. 2 1 minus sin theta plus 2 cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. 1 minus sin theta is common, into bracket 2 is also common. 2 into 1 minus sin theta is common. 2 into 1 minus sin theta is common. So which will be 1 plus cos theta. Is it what? Yes. So which equals 2 times 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. This is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Note down. Next question is, if sin theta plus sin square theta equals 1, prove that cos square theta plus cos to the power 4 theta equals 1. Given sin theta plus sin square theta equals 1, sin theta equals 1 minus sin square theta, therefore sin theta equal cos theta. Okay, so mark this as 1. Now cos square theta plus cos to the power 4 theta equals cos square theta plus cos square theta the whole bracket square. What is this is cos square theta. Okay, remember this is cos square. 1 minus sin square is cos square theta, not cos theta, sorry. This is cos square theta. So cos square theta plus cos to the power 4 theta is cos square theta plus cos square the whole square theta. So keep this as it is, cos square theta plus what is cos square theta from 1? It is sin theta. Therefore sin theta the whole bracket square. This is from 1. Okay, this is cos square I have taken from here, sin theta, which becomes sin square theta once again. Cos square theta plus sin square theta, which equals 1 RHS. Note it. Example 15, and now onwards we'll start elimination of T ratios method. Here it is given tan theta plus sin theta equals m and tan theta minus sin theta equals n. Prove that m square minus n square equals 4 under root of mn. So what I'll do here is take LHS separately, RHS separately, and try to evaluate it. Otherwise, you know, it becomes a little complicated in order to prove directly from LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS. You can try yourself if possible, because a lot of manipulation is there. R.D. Sharma does like that, but you will not understand what he has done. So first I will do LHS m square minus n square, which is m plus n into m minus n. M is tan theta plus sin theta plus tan theta minus sin theta into bracket tan theta plus sin theta minus of the whole term, which is nothing but minus tan theta plus sin theta. So here this will cancel and here this will cancel. We are left with 2 tan theta into bracket 2 sin theta, which equals 4 tan theta into sin theta. Mark it 1. Now RHS I'll take. RHS is 4 under root of mn, 4 under root of tan theta plus sin theta into tan theta minus sin theta. This equals 4 under root of tan square theta minus sin square theta, 4 under root of sin square theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta, 4 under root of cos square theta sin square theta minus sin square theta into cos square theta. Now 4 under root of, take sin square common, 1 minus cos square theta whole divided by cos square theta. 4 sin square comes out as sin theta, cos square comes out as cos theta, under root of 1 minus cos square theta, 4 this is tan theta, under root of 1 minus cos square is sin square theta, 4 tan theta into sin square comes out as sin theta. So this is 2. So from 1 and 2, here 4 tan theta sin theta, 4 tan theta sin theta. Therefore from 1 and 2 LHS equals RHS. This has appeared in 2002 and also NCERT exemplar. This appeared in CBSE 2002 and NCERT exemplar. Note down this sum. One more problem. Example 17. X is given, Y is given. Prove that this equals 1. I'll take LHS, substitute the values and try to get 1. So here we'll see. This is a square by LHS, a square by x square minus b square by y square equals a square divided by x is a sin theta, x square is a square sin square theta minus b square is as it is b square divided by y square is b square tan square theta. A square cancels here, b square cancels, so 1 divided by sin square theta minus 1 divided by tan square theta, which equals I can convert it into sin cos ratios and try this. 1 divided by sin square theta minus 1 divided by sin square theta by cos square theta. So this is 1 divided by sin square theta minus cos square theta by sin square theta, which equals LCM sin square theta. So this is 1 minus cos square theta, which equals 1 minus cos square is sin square theta by sin square theta, which is equal to 1, which is RHS. Make a note. Example 18. If x equals r sin a cos a, y equals r sin a sin c, z equals r cos a, prove that r square equals x square plus y square plus z square. Here what I will do, I will take the RHS and try to arrive at LHS. Let me check whether it is correctly I have written or not. Yes. So I will take to prove, this is to be proved, out of this RHS I am taking. Solution for this, to prove r square equals x square plus y square plus z square. So RHS x square plus y square plus z square equals, what is this thing, x see, I am taking shortcut here. X square is r square sin square a cos square c, r square sin square a into cos square c plus y square. Y square is r square sin square c sin square a into sin square c plus z square is r square cos square a, which equals, here r square sin square a is common, r square sin square a is common, cos square c sin square c remaining, plus r square into cos square a. Now this is 1 here because sin square c plus cos square c by identity is 1. Therefore this is r square sin square a plus r square cos square a. R square I will take common, sin square a plus cos square a, which is r square, because sin square a plus cos square a equals 1. Note down. Hence proved. Sixteenth example. If cos theta plus sin theta equals root 2 cos theta, prove that cos theta minus sin theta equals root 2 sin theta. So let us see here how to prove. Given cos theta plus sin theta equals root 2 cos theta. So squaring on both the sides, cos theta plus sin theta the whole square equals root 2 cos theta the whole square. This I will expand. Cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta equals, this is 2 cos square theta. Okay, so I'll retain this 2 cos theta sin theta as it is and transpose everything that side. 2 cos theta sin theta equals 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta minus sin square theta. So this is 2 cos theta into sin theta equals cos square theta minus sin square theta. So 2 cos theta into sin theta equals cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. So therefore cos theta minus sin theta equals cos theta minus sin theta equals 2 divided by 2 cos theta sin theta the whole divided by cos theta plus sin theta. So 2 cos theta into sin theta divided by, we know cos theta plus sin theta equals given root 2 cos theta, root 2 cos theta, which equals cos cancels, 2 sin theta divided by root 2, which is root 2 sin theta, which is RHS, not RHS. We have proved what we did. We took this one and finally proved root 2 sin theta. So finally from the given information we arrived that cos theta minus sin theta equals root 2 sin theta. So this is the answer. Okay, now alternate method we will see. Alternate method, cos theta plus sin theta equals root 2 cos theta, square on both the sides, cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 cos theta into sin theta equals 2 cos square theta. Now take out everything you can. Okay, we'll do this thing, transpose this one and this one on that side. So sin square theta equals 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. So what we get, sin square theta equals cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Add sin square theta on both the sides, sin square theta plus sin square theta equals cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus sin square theta. I have added 2 sin square theta equals 2 sin square theta equals cos square, this is nothing but cos theta minus sin theta the whole square. Therefore now this is equal to cos theta minus sin theta is equal to under root of 2 sin square theta, which is root 2 sin theta. Note down. Example 9. if m equals a cos theta plus b sin theta, n equals a sin theta minus b sin theta, prove that a square plus b square equals m square plus n square. Here, a and b are associated with these t ratios. So what I definitely do is take the right hand side, substitute these values and try to arrive at the left hand side. So that is how we'll prove it. So LHS I'll take here, LHS, not LHS, sorry, RHS, that is m square plus n square, m square plus n square equals, m is a cos theta plus b sin theta the whole square plus n square is a sin theta minus b cos theta the whole square. Now expand this one, a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus a square plus 2ab sin theta into cos theta plus a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta minus 2ab sin theta into cos theta. So this will cancel, this will cancel, left with a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus a square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta. Now I'll take see here we need to get one. Can we take common a square somewhere? Yeah, I'll take this one and this one and this term and this term. Is it possible? Yeah, a square and b square can be taken as common there. So a square into bracket cos square theta plus sin square theta plus b square into bracket sin square theta plus cos square theta. So definitely this is 1 and this also is 1, and therefore a square plus b square, reason sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1, which equals RHS, no, LHS. Correct? No, LHS or what? We took RHS and proved LHS. Hence, proved. Note down. This is given here. A cos theta minus b sin theta equals C. Prove that a sin theta plus b cos theta equals plus or minus under root of a square plus b square minus c square. So take the given thing and square on both the sides and see whether it is possible or not. We'll check it is. So given is a cos theta minus b sin theta equals C. Squaring on both the sides, a cos theta minus b sin theta the whole square equals C square. A square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta minus 2ab sin theta into cos theta equals C square. Now here there is a twist here. You can make a note of that very important step here. I'll replace this cos square by 1 minus sin square and sin square by 1 minus cos square. The only reason being, I need to take out this a square and b square separately out. Otherwise, it's not possible. What else will you be able to do now? And therefore, important step here it starts is change this cos square to a square into bracket cos square as 1 minus sin square theta plus b square into 1 minus cos square theta minus 2ab sin theta into cos theta equals c square. So next is, this is a square minus a square sin square theta plus b square minus b square cos square theta minus 2ab sin theta into cos theta equals c square. Retain a square b square here, bring c square this side and send all these things on other side, and therefore what we get here is a square plus b square minus c square equals minus a square sin square, push that side, a square sin square theta minus b square cos square, push that side, which is plus b square cos square theta, and minus 2ab, push that side, plus 2ab sin theta into cos theta. So this is a square plus b square minus c square equals, check this one, this is a sin theta plus b cos theta, the whole bracket square, and therefore a sin theta plus b cos theta equals plus or minus under root of a square plus b square minus c square, hence proved. Make a note of this. Example 31. If sin theta plus cos theta equals p and sec theta and cosec theta equals q, show that this is what is to be proved. So out of to be proved, I'll take LHS and try to prove this. To prove q times p square minus 1 equals 2p, LHS equals q is sec theta plus cosec theta into p square is sin theta plus cos theta the whole square minus 1. So this equals sec theta plus cosec theta into bracket sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta minus 1. This equals sec theta plus cosec theta into bracket, this is 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1. So this will cancel. This is sec theta plus cosec theta into 2 sin theta cos theta. What do I have to prove? 2p. That means 2 times sin theta plus cos theta is what we require, and therefore this can be written as 1 by cos theta plus 1 by sin theta into 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, this equals, I am continuing that side, take sin theta cos theta LCM, sin theta cos theta, here sin theta plus cos theta into 2 sin theta cos theta. So this will cancel. What we are left with? 2 sin theta plus cos theta, which is sin theta plus cos theta is p, because sin theta plus cos theta equals P. Hence proved. Note down. Example 33. If sec theta plus tan theta equals P, then prove that P square minus 1 by P square plus 1 equals sin theta. This is CBSE 2004. This was CBSE 2004. So I'll take LHS and try to arrive at RHS. So LHS P square minus 1 by P square plus 1 equals sec theta plus tan theta the whole square minus 1 expand it I am expanding. Now here sec square theta, what we want in terms of sin theta, what should we do? Sec square plus tan square to sec theta tan theta it is given. So sec square is 1 plus tan square to sec theta into tan theta minus 1. Here also 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 sec theta into tan theta plus 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancels here. This is 2 tan square theta plus 2 sec theta into tan theta. This divided by 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 2 tan square theta 2 plus 2 tan square theta plus 2 tan square theta plus 2 sec theta into tan theta. Okay, so 2 I'll take common on the top, tan square theta, or if I take 2 tan theta, okay, 2 I'll take common, tan square theta plus 2 sec theta into tan theta, tan square theta plus divided by 2 common, 1 plus tan square theta plus sec theta into tan theta. These two will cancel, so anything is possible. We have to prove that this 1 plus tan square is sec square theta. Okay, so tan square plus sec theta into tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square is sec square theta plus sec theta into tan theta. Now here divided by sec theta plus tan theta. this will cancel. So this equals tan theta by sec theta, which is sin theta by cos theta into sec is 1 by cos, so cos goes up, cos theta by 1, which is sin theta, which equals RHS. I hope you understand. Make a note. Example 35. If cos alpha by cos beta equals m and cos alpha by sin beta equals n, prove that this one. So we'll take this LHS, substitute the values of m and n and try to arrive at RHS. Equals cos alpha by cos beta the whole square, which is cos square alpha, m square is cos square alpha by cos square beta plus into cos square beta. So LCM, this is cos square cancels, sin square beta into cos square alpha, sin square cancels, cos to the power 4, no, cos square alpha into cos square beta, into cos square beta. So here what is common? Cos square alpha. This is 1. Cos square cancels. Yeah. So now this will cancel, cos square beta by sin square beta, and this is 1. So this is 1 cos square beta divided by sin square beta. Cos square alpha, sorry, this will cancel and this will cancel. So this is 1. So remaining is cos square alpha divided by sin square beta and this is n. Cos alpha by sin beta is n. Make a note of this. Example 36. L is given, M is given. Prove that L square, M square equals L square plus M square plus 3 equals 1. So I have taken LHS here. Substitute the values. L square cosec theta minus sin theta the whole square, M square sec theta minus cos theta the whole square into bracket L square cosec theta minus sin theta the whole square plus m square the whole square plus 3. Expand it. Cosec square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 cosec theta into sin theta sec square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sec theta into cos theta cosec square theta plus sin square theta. I think I'll write this part here, okay? So this is one part, this part I am writing now. Cosec square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 cosec theta into sin theta plus sec square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sec theta into cos theta plus 3. Okay, so I'll have to start here somewhere now, which equals, this is 1 here. Cosec square can be written as 1 by sin square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 1 by cos square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 1 by sin square theta plus sin square theta minus 2 plus sec square theta, that is plus 1 by cos square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 plus 3. Now here this is sin square theta, here it is sin square cancels, 1 plus sin to the power 4 theta minus 2 sin square theta. Take LCM here, 1 plus minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta into, here also I'll take LCM, minus 2 4 plus 3 minus 1 here. So once again I'll write it, otherwise it is confusing. 1 divided by sin square theta minus 2 minus 4 plus 3 is 1. So this can be written as sin square theta minus 1 the whole bracket square. This is the expansion of this. See here I can write both the ways, sin square theta minus 1 or 1 minus sin square theta the whole square, both are same. You check yourself, that is. So this can be written as 1 minus sin square theta
the whole square divided by sin square theta into 1 minus cos square theta the whole square divided by cos square theta into sin square cos square is the LCM sin square cancels, cos square theta plus multiply this one sin to the power 4 theta into cos square theta. Cos square cancels, so plus sin square theta and cos square into this one plus sin square theta into cos to the power 4 theta minus sin square into cos square theta. This is what we are getting. This equals 1 minus sin square is cos square theta divided by sin square theta into sin square theta by cos square theta into cos square plus sin square is 1, sin to the power 4 cos square, sin square cos square. So I'll take here this one and this one, and this part and this part is 1 basically. So let us see how do we modify this one. So this is cos square plus sin square is 1 plus I'll take sin square cos square common. Sin square has come out, cos square has come out, so sin square remains here, and here sin square has come out, cos square remains, minus sin square theta into cos square theta, the whole divided by sin square theta into cos square theta. Okay, now cos square sin square cancels. If I prove this as 1, this is enough now. So what we will do here is, first I'll continue like this. In this, sin square plus cos square is 1, so 1 plus sin square cos square theta minus sin square cos square theta, 1 plus this is sin square plus cos square 1, sin square cos square theta 1 plus sin square theta into cos square theta minus sin square theta into cos square theta. One small mistake is done, just a moment, I'll rectify that. Okay, I'll rectify that. Here it is sin square theta into cos square theta. Here see, I think you are able to this step is basically, I want to, there is a mistake here, I'll tell you what is that. 1 minus sin square is cos square the whole square is cos to the power 4 theta here. Now I think I'll do this step once again, and only this much. So listen carefully, this step. 1 minus sin square is cos square to the power 4 theta, cos to the power 4 theta divided by sin square theta into, this is 1 minus cos square is sin square, so sin to the power 4 theta divided by cos square theta. This is correct now. So there is no cancellation, and this is also correct. So what is left here in this one, this part is solved there, but here sine square one time, here remaining is sine square theta. Cos square cancels, and one more remaining here is cos square theta. So sine square theta into cos square theta, I will be multiplying for this part. So what I will write here is this part into sine square theta into cos square theta. From where did I get? Here this one. Cos square into sine square, denominator cancels, cos square into sine square into this one. This has been done already here, and this is sine square cos square. Now this will cancel, this will cancel, this will cancel, this will cancel. There equals 1, which is RHS. Go through this one, and I hope you should be able to understand. I hope you are clear what I did over here. Okay, make a note of this. Example 38. If x sine cube theta plus y cos cube theta equals sine theta into cos theta, and x sine theta equals y cos theta, prove that x square plus y square equals 1. So this is a typical sum here. We need to find out the value of x and y. Hint, find x and y for this sum, and substitute in LHS. You will arrive at 1, which is RHS. So our objective is to find out now x and y. Let us try that. Given x sine cube theta plus y cos cube theta equals sine theta into cos theta. This can be written as x sine theta into sine square theta plus y cos theta into cos square theta equals sine theta into cos theta. So what is x sine theta? X sine theta equals y cos theta. X sine theta equals y cos theta, or y cos theta is equal to x sine theta. I would like to find out x, so I will eliminate y in this process. First I want to find x here, so replace y cos theta with x sine theta from there. So x sine theta into sine square theta plus y cos theta is x sine theta, okay, into cos square theta equals sine theta into cos theta. What is common out of this? X sine theta into bracket sine square theta plus cos square theta equals sine theta into cos theta. So this is 1. So x sine theta equals sine theta into cos theta. Therefore x equals sine theta into cos theta by sine theta, which is cos theta. So we got here x equals cos theta. So this is 1. Let us try to find out the value of y also now. How do you find out value of y? We know that x sine theta equals y cos theta. What is the value of x? It is cos theta here. Therefore cos theta into sine theta equals y cos theta. Cos theta into sine theta divided by cos theta equals y. So therefore y equals sine theta. So we got the values of x as cos theta and y as sine theta. Now what is to be proved? X square plus y square equals x is cos theta, therefore cos square theta plus y is sine theta, sine square theta, which is equal to 1, which is RHS, hence proved. Make a note of this. Here one more typical sum. cosec minus sin equals m, sec minus cos is n. Prove that m square n to the power 2 by 3 plus mn square to the power 2 by 3 equals 1. So just concentrate here. What we will do is m value and n value, if I substitute, I should be able to get it. But please remember, cosec and sin being reciprocal to each other, probably let us simplify the value of m and n in terms of sin cos ratios, and then if you substitute, it is easier to prove that it is equal to 1. So my objective here is m equals, first m equals, given that cosec theta minus sin theta, which equals 1 divided by sin theta minus sin theta, which equals sin theta 1 minus sin square theta, which is cos square theta divided by sin theta. Mark it 1. So finally I got the value of m as cos square theta by sin theta instead of cosec minus sin theta. So similarly n equals sec theta minus cos theta, which is 1 divided by cos theta minus cos theta, which equals LCM cos theta 1 minus cos square theta, which is sin square theta divided by cos theta. Mark this 2. Now to prove m square n to the power 2 by 3 plus mn square to the power 2 by 3 equals 1. So I will take LHS now. M square n to the power 2 by 3 plus mn square to the power 2 by 3. LHS I am taking. So what is m square? M is cos square by sin theta, the whole square. So I will write like this: cos square theta divided by sin theta. Okay, what should we do? M square n to the power 2 by 3, okay, square into n. N is sin square theta divided by cos theta. So m square cos square theta by sin theta, the whole square, into n sin square theta by cos theta, n, this to the power 2 by 3 plus m is into n square sin square theta by cos theta, the whole square, to the power 2 by 3. So this equals cos to the power 4, cos to the power 4 theta divided by sin square theta into sin square theta divided by cos theta to the power 2 by 3 plus cos square theta by sin theta into sin to the power 4 theta divided by cos square theta to the power 2 by 3. This equals cos to the power 4, which is cos to the power cube theta to the power 2 by 3. Sin square cancels, plus here it is cos square cancels, sin theta sin 4, sin cube theta to the power 2 by 3, which equals cos cube. See here, cos cube theta is nothing but cos theta the whole cube. So cos theta the whole cube into 2 by 3 plus sin theta the whole cube into 2 by 3. 3 cancels, 3 cancels. This equals cos theta the whole square plus sin theta the whole square, which is cos square theta plus sin square theta, which equals 1, RHS. Hence proved. Make a note of this. Example 45. If sin theta plus cos theta equals root 3, prove that tan theta plus cot theta equals 1. So with the given information, let us begin. So let's see whether we can do this one. Sin theta plus cos theta equals root 3. I would like to square it on both the sides. Sin theta plus cos theta, the whole square equals root 3 square. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta equals 3. This is 1. 1 plus 2 sin theta to cos theta equals 3. So 2 sin theta into cos theta equals 3 minus 1, which is 2. Therefore sin theta into cos theta equals 1, implies sin theta into cos theta equals sin square theta plus cos square theta, because 1 can be written as sin square by cos square. This equals, take this down, 1 equals sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta, implies 1 equals sin square theta by sin theta into cos theta plus cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta. So 1 sin cancels, sin by cos. Sin theta by cos theta plus this is cos cancels, 1 cos remains, which equals sin by cos is, or implies 1 equals sin by cos tan theta plus cos by sin cot theta. Is it that we have to prove? Yes. Hence proved. Make a note of this. This is the problem. If 1 plus sin square theta equals 3 sin theta into cos theta, prove that tan theta equals 1 or tan theta equals half. Very typical sum, and this had appeared in 2016, I believe, 2016 or 17, I think it had appeared. So let us see here. Given 1 plus sin square theta equals 3 sin theta cos theta, dividing both sides by cos square theta, we get 1 divided by cos square theta plus sin square theta by cos square theta equals 3 sin theta cos theta by cos square theta. This implies sec square theta plus tan square theta equals 3 sin theta by cos theta into cos theta by cos theta. So this will cancel here. So sin theta by 3 tan theta will remain, implies sec square theta plus tan square theta equals 3 tan theta. But we know sec square is 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square theta equals 3 tan theta. This implies tan square plus tan square, 2 tan square, 1 plus 2 tan square theta equals 3 tan theta. You got it? This is what we are getting. 1 plus 2 tan square theta equals 3 tan theta. Okay. So implies 2 tan square theta minus 3 tan theta plus 1 equals 0. So this becomes a quadratic equation, and therefore a equals 2, b equals minus 3. Instead of solving that by that method, I can also solve this by a little bit one more method also. Let me try this, okay, if possible, a little bit this one. You can solve it by ABC also, definitely. You can solve it by quadratic formula, okay. Now here, see here, 2 tan square theta, it is a quadratic equation. I need to split the middle term. So 2 into 1, 2, and here I should get minus 3. That means I should get 2 into 1, 2, but here I should get two numbers p and q, such that pq should give me 2 and this should give me minus 3. So 2 into 1 and minus 2 into minus 1. So minus 2, minus 1. Correct, no? So I'll apply this one now. 2 tan square theta minus 2 tan theta minus tan theta plus 1 equals 0. Take a common here, implies 2 tan theta into bracket tan theta minus 1, and here it is 1 minus tan theta, or you take minus common, minus 1 tan theta minus 1 equals 0. So what we get now? Common tan theta minus 1, tan theta minus 1. So if I take tan theta minus 1 as a common, tan theta minus 1 as a common, remaining is 2 tan theta minus 1 equals 0, implies tan theta minus 1 equals 0, 2 tan theta minus 1 equals 0, implies tan theta equals 1. Here 2 tan theta equals 1, tan theta equals 1 by 2, and therefore tan theta equals 1 or half, hence proved. Either you can use this method or you use the quadratic formula. A equals 2, A equals 2, B equals minus 3, C equals plus 1, and apply the quadratic formula, then also you will get it. So please make a note of this one, pause the video and make a note of this one. So dear students, I have solved many numericals from trigonometry from R.D. Sharma, and there are still many complicated numericals if you look at R.D. Sharma. For example, sine to the power 10 theta plus cos to the power 8 theta, something like that. A series of questions are there. I suggest you also put a lot of effort in order to understand those numericals from R.D. Sharma, and R.S. Agarwal also covers the same. So see if you can get those things. In my next lecture, here I will be ending this lecture, and also this chapter trigonometry 8, that is chapter number 8, introduction to trigonometry, is complete in all respects, and it was quite a long journey. And in my next class I will be taking next chapter, applications of trigonometry, practical applications. There I will be solving some numericals from the textbook. Most of the numericals will be given as homework because those are not much difficult, and this is how we will be completing trigonometry 2 chapters. So let me end the lecture over here. Make a note of all these sums, solve yourself also, pick up the numericals from R.D. Sharma previous year questions, and practice it. Practice makes you perfect in trigonometry. So thank you very much for watching. Let us end the lecture, let us end the chapter also here, and see in the next lecture with applications of trigonometry. Thank you very much for watching.